What happens when 7 tons of bulletproof steel charges toward one of the most powerful magnetic barriers ever imagined? Can invisible energy stop an unstoppable machine? This isn't an ordinary truck. It's a heavily armored off-road monster, designed to survive extreme punishment. Today, we're testing a wild scientific question. Can ultra-strong magnetism stop this vehicle before impact?
This custom-built magnetic barrier contains thousands of industrial-grade magnets, working together to create an enormous magnetic field. If the magnetic field generates enough resistance, it could slow the truck before it ever reaches the wall. Small steel objects don't stand a chance. The magnets pull them in almost instantly. Stopping a handful of steel bolts is easy. Stopping 7 tons of armored steel is an entirely different challenge.
Every sensor is active. Every camera is recording. The vehicle is now under remote control, ready for the most dangerous test of the day. 3, 2, 1. Everything is ready. The collision course has been set. There is no turning back now.
The experiment has begun. 7 tons of armored steel are now accelerating directly toward the magnetic barrier. 30 miles per hour. 40. The truck continues gaining speed as momentum builds with every passing second. At 60 miles per hour, this machine carries enough energy to crush almost anything in its path. Something is happening. The truck is entering the outer edge of the magnetic field. Sensors detect resistance. The field is interacting with the truck's steel structure. Can the magnetic force overcome raw momentum before impact? The magnetic force is pushing back. For the first time, measurable braking appears in the telemetry data. The struggle is real. The magnetic field grows stronger, and the vehicle is losing speed faster than expected. The vehicle is almost stopped. The magnetic field appears to be winning the fight against momentum. Despite overwhelming magnetic resistance, momentum still remains. And now, impact is unavoidable. The collision unleashes an incredible amount of energy as steel and magnetism collide. The front section suffered heavy damage, but the data suggests the magnetic field reduced the impact velocity before contact. Magnetism alone could not completely stop 7 tons of armored steel, but it dramatically reduced the vehicle's speed before impact. These results could influence future transportation safety systems, industrial braking technologies, and advanced electromagnetic protection systems.